Thank you, Chairman, to Elvis. Our DIPRO, Pushwaitya, our guest of honor from Aizawl, Machwana, Ma-Ngheta, President, MJA, and all my media friends here. I'm delighted to be a part of this. This is the first time I'm coming to, I always see the press club. So I've got the opportunity to come here. So I am really thankful to be here. When I joined Lawngtlai around 8-9 months back, the first meeting I had was with MJA, because I understand that having a proactive media is very important for any place and any state or any country, and that is why it was my priority to meet the Journalists Association in the beginning, to understand the needs, aspirations, the problems, challenges of our district. Though it is said that the administration or the DC is a bridge between people and the higher government authorities, but I believe that the journalists are a bridge between the people and the DC, because all the people may not get an opportunity to meet our government functionaries, and we also don't get our opportunity to meet all the people every time. So it is through the media that we transmit and transfer our thoughts, our activities, as well as whatever things we feel that the people should know about. This includes the proceedings of the meetings that we have in our office, the important events that we have in the public, important days that we celebrate like Republic Day, Independence Day, and important information like land compensation issues, some social messages, awareness campaigns. So journalists and editors, they play a very important role in supporting the media. So if you see, the government is run on 3 pillars: the legislature, executive, and the judiciary, and media is called the 4th pillar. So there are very important reasons for all these. Because of all these reasons, media is termed as the 4th pillar of our governance. Now coming to our MJA Lawngtlai, I feel very proud and very happy to see all of you working dedicatedly for the media, and my first thing in the office when I reach is to read all the newspapers, though I understand Mizo a little bit, but I'm able to read most of the things. So every day I go through all the newspapers that comes, and newspapers from even from Chongte and Sangao on my phone, I read all of them. And over the time, now I am able to differentiate between the news articles of different newspapers. So if I read a newspaper, I can understand that, oh, this must be from Lawngtlai Post or from Lawngtlai or somewhere. So this is an achievement that I would want to share to all of you. And it's very enlightening to read the newspapers every day in the morning and to understand what all is happening. And to the best of my abilities, I try and keep in touch with all my editor friends on WhatsApp also. Those who have ever called me or WhatsApp me, I have always replied on WhatsApp to know, because I want to create that there should not be any bridge between media and the DC office or government functionaries. So it has been my attempt that I am in touch with all my editors. And one example that I can give is in the recent refugee crisis that we are facing from Bangladesh. So I get calls from many newspapers running in the country, like national newspapers. So when they take any information from me, I said, I have already shared that information to my media here. Why don't you take it from them? To increase the importance of the local media, if something has been released from the DC office through DIPRO, or it is appearing in the local media, then the national media should also rely upon those reports and continue they should not verify from the concerned authority. So that was my stand with those national newspapers, that my media knows everything about it, you please contact them and get it done. So it has been my attempt to raise the standards and raise the importance of the local newspapers. Now I am told that my farewell is also organized today only, so As I told you that it was my entry meeting when I met all of you, now it feels like an exit meeting. But I'm very happy, and whatever I have said, I think very important role goes to our DIPRO also. Pushroita has been a very good a link between the editors and our DC office. He attends all the meetings, and next day I see all the important things in all the newspapers. So I think we should really appreciate the role of our DIPRO and Puinos also, who has, they all accompany us in everywhere. And now it is the time that whenever I sit any meeting, any event, I look for Puinos and Pushroita. Without them, our meetings are incomplete. So in these last 8-9 months, I have got a lot of support, lot of help, lot of coordination from MJA, and I believe this coordination will keep on going in the coming years, and many more DCs will come, and whatever we are doing together, we keep on doing together. So I think today's conference, and I am being a part of it, it is a good proof or a good case in point that administration and media have to work together, because our goals are same: to share as much information with the people and to work for the welfare of the people, to highlight the problems or the challenges that our people are facing. So with that, I think I'll conclude, and I thank the organizing committee, the OBs, all my media friends. And recently in Republic Day, Puchhartea has shared a video, and it is viral, about me speaking in Mizo, and I have got a lot of comments on that. So I would like to personally thank Puchhartea for that video, and it has been appreciated. So thanks a lot. And being the patron, all of the things that I have said as DC, but as a patron also, I had a lot of responsibilities towards MJA. I hope I have been able to achieve some of them. So for that, I would like to thank all of you to give that opportunity. And today I have a small token of appreciation to MJA. So if the OB members can collect it. Thank you. So this was just a small token from